ready to share your voice with the world and get paid for it. Let's dive into creating your very own Substack account. First things first, head over to Substack.com. You'll see a friendly button that says, Get Started. Click that to begin the process. On the sign-up page, you'll need to enter your email address. Choose a unique username #euros. This will be part of your Substack URL #euros, and create a secure password. Next, it's time to name your brilliant newsletter and write a short, compelling description. Think about what makes your content unique and exciting for potential readers. Now, the crucial part, deciding on your subscription model. You can offer your newsletter completely free, or you can set up paid subscriptions for paid. You'll determine the pricing tiers later. Let's personalize your presence. Upload a clear profile picture and enter your full name. This helps build trust and recognition with your audience. To get paid, you'll need to connect your payment information. Substack supports various methods, so follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your bank account or preferred payment processor. If you opted for paid subscriptions, this is where you configure your tiers, decide on monthly or annual pricing for your subscribers. You can set different benefits for different levels. And that's it. You've successfully created your Substack account. You're now ready to start writing and publishing your first post. Congratulations.